So today we are going to learn how to change the background in Snapseed.
If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. And if I were
After selecting the model, do whatever editing you want from the tools option. But after that, click on the double exposure option and add the photo you want to keep in the background, and then increase the opticality level, and then from the above layer option, click on the view layers and then select the double exposure option and then erase the effect from the model. That means keep the effect only in the background.
I was just so far from here, focused on my own way, with never looking back to those who lived in fear. There was nothing I could do, there was nothing you said that could make me realize how much lucky I was. Just out of reach of the fire, was not aware of the nightmare, but when I stopped to see through sight, begging for help, begging for hope, just need to open my eyes now, to try to change them to sunshine, to be someone among others. I've gotta try it. If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. If I work tonight, I'm so tired tonight, I fall asleep when I'm home. When I'm no way to go, no one can see through at the side of the light. I can see my life is crap, I have to see them too.
Zoom in the picture while doing this for more perfection in the edges. So it is done here. You can see that the background has completely changed and looking perfect. So that was all for today. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you liked it, and for more videos like this, click on the subscribe button.